We're looking at Ovation of the Sea 6162. It's a little corner room right there. Let's go in. First, we got the thermostat control. Nice. They got a key in here so it stays cold. We have a big looking glass mirror. And this is a balcony. This is an obstructed balcony, but it's kind of interesting. So let's get out there in a second. Of course, we have the table, light switches for the room light. That one did the light over there by that. And of course, this one is the mirror light. The 220, I got my charger in there, charging my tablet. Two 110s, nook and cranny. This table moves the chair. We have two closets. This big one here. It's kind of interesting, angled, but it's deep, okay? With hangers, no overhead here, but you can see there's storage overhead there. As you know, there is a chiller that we like to use a lot. Interestingly enough, just like the other trip, this one has a kettle. Couple of mugs, okay? Plenty of drawer space, and one of them should have a dryer. This one maybe. There's a dryer, okay? Lamp. This one has two drawers here. Got a drawer here, got a drawer there. And of course, this one has the safe. And then cubbyhole storage. Like I said, storage up there. And then we have the lamp switch, a room phone that we hardly ever use, little cubbies. The bed will get separated a little bit. A large TV. And of course, an outlet on this side with room light controls here. Okay, again, the cubby hole. And of course, when you open the door, the air conditioning goes off. But here we go. This is that obstructed balcony. It's the corner one. It's very large, but that's what you see out there at the top of the vessel. Kind of gives you an idea, okay, of what you're looking at. Second life boat. I guess that too means the second life boat. And that's pretty much the room, but that's an interesting large balcony that we found for this room. And remember, every time you turn that off, the light goes off. I mean, the AC goes off. And then here we go. Lovely large toilet, mirror, sink, and everything else is about the same for this class of ship. So this is the first time on Ovation of the Sea. We are right here. We just did our muster. This is our room. You can see that extended balcony right there. And it's really open to that area, right in the front of the atrium. I think it's gonna be great. We're on a 15-night sailing to Vancouver. So that's it, guys. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching the video. And as always, have a great day. Bye now.